As autumn arrives and winter approaches, our coast becomes a hotspot for the apex predators of the sea. Orcas gather here to eat, socialize, and teach their young, and I have made it a goal to film them in the wild during this time. The following is my first apex quest of this season. All right, you hear all those sea lions? They're wishing us good luck today. We're on our way to find some orcas. We got to go like 80 miles today offshore to an area where the orcas typically feed and where they're seen with a much higher frequency than in the actual channel here of Santa Barbara. So we're leaving from Oxnard, California this morning. I am with my friends Pacific Offshore. So if you want to go whale watching in the Channel Islands, check out Pacific Offshore. Captain Ryan, I tell you what, he delivers every time for me. Knock on wood, hopefully we see some today. And we got a bunch of folks here ready to see orcas. Let's do it. These guys probably know there's no orcas in this harbor. And check this out, wow. Looking for shark bites on them. I don't see any. On today's search, it won't surprise me if we cover 200 miles round trip. But that's okay. There's usually plenty to see on the way. Along the way, Ryan and I scan the horizon for the black triangles, and today's weather couldn't be better. We just found orcas. Successful day so far. We just found orcas. We've been going for about 3.5 hours right now. We've gone about 70 miles, and it pays off because we have orcas right in front of us. Check this out. Right up there somewhere. There are never any guarantees, but this is my 9th straight trip finding orcas with Ryan. Oh, we've been traveling, what, 3 hours?
No, man, we left at 8 o'clock. So we're like 4.5 hours almost.
4.5 hours it took us to find these, but that's what it takes on these trips, right?
Yeah, miles.
Miles and miles dedication. This guy right here, Ryan, he's the man.
I'm the looker.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the drone up. I think that these orcas are predating right now on a sea lion. So I'm gonna get the drone up, take a look. Drone's going up.
What's that? Whoa.
1, 2, 3, lift off. Up. From above, the calm surface hides the intensity of what's unfolding below. 3 orcas working together, coordinated, precise. They've surrounded an elephant seal. There's nowhere left for it to go. Each orca approaches and bats the seal with its tail. The seal, despite its size, is no match for 3 orcas. This is the side of nature that's difficult to watch, but it's also the reality of life out here. Each time an orca passes, it either rams into it or bats it with its tail. The strategy is clear. Tire the seal, daze it with hits, and exhaust it to the point of no return. The coordination of each strike and the sheer strength of 3 orcas meant this battle was likely over before it even began. The orcas demonstrate that teamwork, above all, is what makes them the apex predator of the sea. Moments like this remind me just how intelligent and powerful these animals are, and how little control we really have over the world they live in. With one final blow, the elephant seal surrenders to the depths below, never to rise again.
DA-27.
Oh, he just identified him.
And I can tell immediately because this male has two notches on his dorsal fin, one at the top, one at the bottom.
After a successful hunt, orcas will often hang around to celebrate their kill. But this pod, known for its elusiveness, was back to business. They gave us one more pass, and we decided to part ways. But our day was about to get even more exciting. A new pod made a grand entrance. This pod was not shy, and it was big. Ten orcas traveling together would give us a day we would not soon forget.
Is that cool or what?
Dad, are you kidding me?
That was awesome.
Oh, Jesus. Did not expect to see them there. Right behind me. All right, let's see what happens. They're still there. 1 o'clock. 3, 2, 1. Oh, right in front of the boat, guys. Right here. Right in front of the boat. Coming to us. Right here, right here. Oh, I got missed.
Oh, are you kidding?
These other two are right here too. Right in front, 12 o'clock.
Right underneath you.
Right underneath.
Make
Yes.
that up.
Oh, they came and gave us an awesome look. Right next to me, I got just blasted. I got whale snot, orca snot all over my monitor.
Oh my gosh.
And we're floating here, engines just we're not even moving. We're just floating here. Those orcas came to us like that. It's amazing. Oh, that was a good pass.
Oh, so cool.
Everybody got some orca snot. This pod was so friendly, I was able to use both the drone and underwater cameras to get some unforgettable shots of a female with the most beautiful dorsal fin I've ever seen. Appropriately named Jagged, she is the mother to several orcas. These orcas embodied everything about the apex quest. Whoa! Come here, buddy. That was so cool. Look at that, little baby. Here's her face. There she comes. Sweet. In total, we'd seen 16 individuals, but as the light began to fade, it was time to say goodbye. Before we packed up, I managed to capture one last moment. Jagged and her calves framed perfectly in the blue. It ended up being my favorite shot of the day. As I prepped my underwater camera, I couldn't help but ask for one final pass. Sometimes all you have to do is ask nature. Come on, one close pass, buddy, one more. I think they're coming this way. And on this day, she answered. The orcas gave us one last pass and more. Sea lion. Oh, now we're never getting home. Is he gonna try to? They're chasing him? Oh boy. Sea lion. Oh my gosh. Oh, right in front of us. Whoa, whoa. This is nuts. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. That was a sea lion. He's trying to run away from the orcas. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the orcas coming after him. Oh my God. There they come. There they come. Oh. Whew. Whew. The sea lion's trying to get on the boat. I got my camera in the water right now. The orcas everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And just as quickly as it started, the orcas let the sea lion go. They simply quit. We watched the sea lion dart off in the opposite direction, vanishing into the blue. For a moment, everything went still. The ocean, calm, quiet, as if nothing had happened. That's the thing about days like this. Out here, the line between intensity and serenity can blur in an instant. And just as we were leaving, the original 3 orcas we watched attack an elephant seal showed up and joined the pod of 10.
13 orcas around us right now.
Oh my God.
let me see.
Wild Jenny.
It was the ultimate goodbye from nature.
If that's not a goodbye, I don't know what is. Right here, right here, right here, guys. Look, look. Oh my gosh. Boy, that was awesome. That's just incredible, you guys. 13 orcas just came right by us, right under the boat. We're just floating here. We're about to leave. Hadn't seen orcas for about 5 or 10 minutes, so we're gonna leave. And all of them came right here underneath us and just said goodbye. What a day. Ryan, thank you, Ryan.
Thanks,
Big man Ryan back there.
This is my 3rd day in a row with orcas, and I have 2 more to go in front of me, I hope.
That's 3 days in a row with Ryan. He's had orcas. Just incredible. I'm lost for words.
Journeys like this are what it's about. There are no guarantees, except that it is unpredictable. It's wild, and it's what keeps me coming back. Thanks for watching.